Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about what happens if gestational diabetes is not controlled. If gestational diabetes is not properly managed, it can lead to various complications for both the mother and the baby. Here are 10 points detailing what can happen if gestational diabetes is not controlled. You want to manage blood sugar level naturally? You can take easily Glucoberry natural supplement. It is benefited and also natural way to control high blood sugar level. High blood sugar levels in the baby. The baby is exposed to higher levels of glucose in the womb, which can lead to overgrowth and larger birth weight, macrosomia. Birth complications. Larger babies can lead to difficulties during labor and delivery, including a higher likelihood of needing a cesarean section. Low blood sugar in the newborn, hypoglycemia. After birth, the baby may experience a sudden drop in blood sugar levels due to the abrupt cutoff of glucose from the mother. Respiratory distress syndrome. Babies born to mothers with uncontrolled gestational diabetes are at higher risk of developing breathing difficulties. Jaundice. The baby may develop jaundice, a condition where the skin and eyes turn yellow due to excess bilirubin in the blood. Increased risk of type 2 diabetes in the mother. Women who experience gestational diabetes are at a higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life if blood sugar levels are not controlled. Hypertension and preeclampsia. Uncontrolled gestational diabetes can lead to high blood pressure and, in severe cases, a condition called preeclampsia, which can be dangerous for both mother and baby. Increased risk of stillbirth. In extreme cases of uncontrolled gestational diabetes, there may be an increased risk of stillbirth. Long-term health risks for the child. Children born to mothers with uncontrolled gestational diabetes may be at higher risk of developing obesity and type 2 diabetes later in life. Need for intensive neonatal care. Babies born to mothers with uncontrolled gestational diabetes may require specialized care in the Neonatal Intensive Care Unit, NICU, due to complications related to high blood sugar levels. Want to control your blood sugar levels naturally? Take Glucoberry from the official website. Click the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this.